In this video, you'll find out how to create super colourful effects very quickly in Photoshop. I've got an image here. All I need to do now is go to Image and Duplicate. I want a duplicate of this image, so click OK. In this duplicate, I'm going to apply a gradient or any other effect. You could apply a variety of different effects, but something that alters it. So go to the Gradient tool, Classic Gradient, any gradient, and key thing Difference. Apply a few times, but you've got something super colourful to work with. Then go back to the original image. With this, go to Filter and down to Neural Filters. In Neural Filters, a variety of different filters are available. Go down to this one, Colour Transfer. So select that, click on, and with that you've got access to these. You can click these. Now sometimes they have very little effect, but initially just go for RGB and then modify things and you will see effects change. For some weird reason, it doesn't seem to work straight away. But what you can also do is select one of these ones, tweak the colours here, hue, brightness, and you can see straight away you can create some really interesting colour variations. But we've got this, custom. So there's custom field here, so just click that. And here, select an image. I've just created one, which is a duplicate. So Adobe Stock, that was the one. Straight away now, you get this colour effect applied. You've got exactly the same settings as before. You've got RGB and Lab. I'm just going to keep with RGB. And you can modify the saturation. Just change it, tweak it, so you can push it all the way down to black and white or grayscale, or push it up for a more extreme colour effect, or maybe change the hue. And you can see as you run through that, a variety of different colourful designs can be created. Also, brightness. So you want like a poster effect. This is a great way of creating a poster effect. Or going for brightness, make it a lot darker, like that. But once you've done it, even better, go down here. You've got options for current layer, new layer mask, but I go with this one, Smart Filter. Click that. So with Smart Filter, click OK. Now you've got your effect. But you also notice if you go to Layers panel, you've got a Smart Filter here. So at any point, you can always double click, bring it up again, and you can then tweak this image. You can modify it. You think, oh, you know what? The saturation's wrong, or other settings are wrong. Maybe the hue is wrong. Change that and then click OK. So it can be changed at any point. If you want to find out more about Photoshop, check this video.